Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have another tutorial, African threading, and I'll be showing you how I achieve this look step by step. So guys, if it's your first time you are watching my video, thank you so much. You are welcome. My name is Glory Mtui, and please before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, give this video thumb up, and also turn on notification bell. So I started by dividing my hair into two sections from ear to ear so that I can get this top bun, and this is the line after I divide the section. Take your time to divide because it's not so easy. Give yourself time to divide, and this is how this line looks in back. So after here, back I divide two sections. So back I'm going to make only two lines. One side I did off the camera, and now I have two mirrors, one front and one back. Front one is small one, I think you can see it over there hanging up there. That is small mirror, so I just hang it there. And back is big mirror, so no need to spend so much when you want to have two mirror. And here I can see what I'm doing in front mirror and back mirror, so it's easy for me to go ahead and split this section. Each section I secure with rubber band, but if you don't have rubber band, you can do a simple cornrows or flat twist. Just make something easy so that you'll not tag two sections together. So after I finish secure them with rubber band, I go ahead and twist the ends, and this is how I twist. Then I jump into front. I'm going to make three lines, and as you can see is a shape of triangle. So after I make the line, I go ahead and start to make small section, and each one I secure with rubber band just to get clean section and make things easy. So each line I divide 4 sections only. But if your hair is more short, you can divide more sections. You can make 5 or 6 depending on how easy to hold your hair. And after I finish secure, I go ahead and do flat twist. You can do flat twist or cornrows, all is okay, depending on which way it's easy for you. So this is how the sections looks like after I finish divide. To achieve this look, I use only one packet of Brazilian wool hair. And this is the length of the yarn I cut. Each one I cut 33 inches long. So in every one locks I use 5 strands, and I also use crochet needle to crochet the yarn before I start lock. So after I crochet, you have to be careful when you crochet your yarn. I make one side long and other side short. This up to my chest is short one, and this other side is the longest one, which I'll use wrapping. You can see it's a little long. So when you are wrapping, you must make sure one side is longer than other. The side you are wrapping, you must make sure it's longer. And after that, I hold the yarn and my hair together, and then I start wrapping. Each time when I wrapping, I use my two fingers, the thumb finger and this finger, to help me to secure the locks to unravel. So each time when I wrap, this finger hold the yarn, and then I can move my hand to other direction or to other side so that I can grab it under my finger. I hope you understand what I'm talking. So this finger is there to secure the locks, and then after I use my finger to hold it, then I will release my hand and hold my yarn to under my finger so that I can continue wrapping. And this is how this style goes. Very easy yet simple and beautiful. And this style does not take time. After separating the section, to do these locks, I think it took me only 1 hour or less than 1 hour to wrapping. So here I keep wrapping till end of this lock, and here it depends on how long you want, so you can make different length depending on which one or which length is comfortable for you. You can make more longer or you can make more short, and you can add some male hair if you want. So after I wrap till end, I take only one strand and then I wrap one time, then the second time I secure it, and I secure twice to make sure the hair really secured enough. Yeah, after that then I jump to another section. Crochet your yarn, pull it well, make sure all 5 strands of one side is longer than other side, and the longest one is the one you use wrapping. And before you start wrap, you must make sure the length you want, so the short one must be the length you want, then you can go ahead and wrapping. This is very easy. Here in my channel I have very easy hairstyle, and I have a lot, by the way. So guys, if it's the first time you check, please check my videos. I have a lot of different hairstyle and it's very easy. I have a lot of African thread in different style. You can wear it. So guys, take your time please and check my previous videos. In this video I showed different angles on how I hold my hair and I braid to get these neat lines and sections. So guys, keep watching, you'll see very well. I show not long time, I just show for very short time, several seconds, just to let you know how I hold my hair, and it will be easy for you also to hold it when you want to do this hairstyle. And guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video thumb up. Also don't forget to share with friends, family, everyone you care. So here I'm done with these locks, and now I'm going to cut all the excess yarn just to make sure the locks they are clean. You may decide either to burn the ends or you may decide to leave it like that. For me, I just leave it like that. So guys, this is how this hair looks like. So I'm going ahead and make this top bun. So each line is 4 sections, don't confuse. So here I'm going to use only this 4 sections. So each one I'm going to twist several times, and when I twist I make sure I move my hand so that I can reach the next section. And after that, I will wrap several times and then I secure. Just roll it a couple times. When you are rolling, you must make sure you are moving your hand so that you can keep moving to the next section. In the beginning, you may roll maybe 2 times, 3 times. Then hold another section, then roll them. You can either decide to use rubber band or you can use yarn to secure them or to avoid them to unravel before you finish. And after you finish twist all the section, you can go ahead and cut the yarn or the elastic band. So here, after I finish, you can see I roll one more time to get that shape I started, and then I use hairband to secure it again. How to put this top band, it depends on how easy for you it is. For me, I'm going to roll it only, but you may decide to seal it with needle and yarn, or you may decide to roll it and leave it like me, because this will not unravel, otherwise you slip very roughly. So here I'm rolling and wrapping, roll and wrapping, and those hanging hair I pull them under this band so that it will be secured enough and they will not show out. And guys, this is the final result for this today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment. Yeah, don't forget, sharing is caring, honey. I love you so much and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye guys. I love you so much.